Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a reliable online Python compiler that offers Python 3. Once selected, open its editor or REPL. Make sure the language dropdown reads Python 3. You do not need to install anything, but sign in if you plan to save work. Create a new file or clear the REPL so you start fresh. Then type a simple print statement to verify the environment. This confirms the interpreter and immediate feedback loop. You now write the core of your script, define functions, use loops, and add basic input/output. As you code, run frequently with the run button or shortcut like Ctrl+Enter to catch errors early. Make sure to inspect the console area for printed output and tracebacks. Line numbers help you pinpoint issues. If your environment supports file tabs, save iterations with clear names. Once done, test edge cases and adjust code until output matches expectations. You finish by saving your file or exporting the script and generate a shareable link when available so others can run it. Make sure to download any output files you need. If something fails, first read the error message. Then check indentation, confirm you're on Python 3, and verify all imports are supported in that environment. If the issue continues, copy the traceback and retry a minimal example. This narrows the problem and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.